So page number 248, we have two MCQs. The first one is Southern Plateau lies to the south of river dash. So we have to select from Narmada, Tapi, Godavari and Ganga. So the answer is option A, Narmada. Second MCQ, the dash is one of the highest waterfall in India. So answer is B, Jog Falls. We have seen during the explanation that Jog Falls in Karnataka is one of the highest waterfall in India. Page number 251, we have two more MCQs. Bhilai steel plant is situated in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh or Maharashtra. So the answer is C, Chhattisgarh. Black soil is ideal for growing dash. So we have seen that black soil that is found in Maharashtra is good for growing cotton. Option A, cotton. Page number 252. What is the shape of the Southern Plateau? So it is triangular in shape. We have seen that it looks like a tabletop. Now then which river divides the huge plateau region into two parts? So option B, Narmada is your answer. We have two more MCQ on the page number 253. Which is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau? That is Narmada. River Narmada is the longest one. What is the Chota Nagpur region famous for? It is famous for minerals. So answer is option A. So we have two blanks on page number 252. Dash work is a specialty of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So the work that the people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are good at is farming. And second blank is tea and coffee are grown on the slope of the Nilgiri Hills. So Nilgiri Hills is your answer. So the rocks that are formed और यानी जो पत्थर ऐसे होते हैं जो बनते हैं हॉट लिक्विड लावा, जो लावा ज्वालामुखी फूटती है ना उसमें से जो लिक्विड निकलता है उससे जो रॉक्स फॉर्म होते हैं वो होते हैं लावा रॉक. So our next question was name the states for the following. So in the question you will be given certain places and you have to identify they come under which state. So the first one is Kanha National Park, and you know that it is a place in Madhya Pradesh. Second one is Jagannath Temple. It is in Odisha. Third one, Silk Sari. Silk Sari from Tamil Nadu is famous. Fourth one is Lavani dance, and Lavani dance of Maharashtra is world famous.